Welcome to the Business Reporter. I'm Louise People, and today I'm joined by Professor Gary Packham from the Anglia Ruskin University. Gary, good morning.
Good morning, Louise.
Now, Gary, there's 5 million SMEs in the UK. What are the most common problems that they're facing?
According to research and also according to my own experience, there are three main issues faced by small businesses at the moment. One is access to finance. All businesses have at some point an issue with accessing the right finance at the right time. Secondly, it's about developing people. How do they develop their staff? How do they develop their management to develop and grow? And thirdly, it's that whole issue of small business growth. How do they identify that they need to grow, when to grow and how to grow? The important thing in all of that, Louise, is that there is knowledge out there for small businesses to access so they can do this much more effectively and efficiently.
At which point in their development will they meet these problems?
Well, small businesses can meet these issues at any point in their development. What's really important is that they don't wait, but they actually seek out the right knowledge and expertise to put in place solutions that can help them overcome these key issues.
Now, as if I was to run my own SME, I run my own business, I know how it runs. Why would I go to a third party to help with these problems?
Well, this is the absolute issue. You are the small business owner. You have invested a lot of time, effort and emotion, as well as money in starting this business. And small businesses, by their definition, are often extensions of the small business owner themselves. And this can actually create quite a narrow view and narrow focus. What small businesses need to do is try and achieve a wider perspective and get alternative views. And this is where we come in. We have that experience and we have that expertise to offer objective, alternative and viable solutions to grow and develop businesses.
But what would your answer be to skeptics who say, hey, you're a university, what business experience do you have? Universities
are centres of knowledge, but what we have to recognise is that this knowledge has been based on many, many years of experience. At Anglia Ruskin, we've been in existence since the 1850s. That means over that 150 plus years, we've had a lot of experience in gathering, interpreting and making sense of data. But that data doesn't come from just our own academics. This comes from interactions with business and society. Therefore, we know how to make sense of it and also use that knowledge to implement practical solutions for businesses who want to develop and grow.
Okay, so you're a university, you're running courses. Now, how would I have time to attend these courses if I'm running a business?
It's a common misconception of businesses that we only have one way of delivering what we do and our knowledge. We work very closely with businesses and organisations to ensure that what we offer fits their time constraints and also meets their specific needs. For example, very recently we engaged with the Ministry of Defence on a Tri-Services short course programme aiming to develop leadership and management across a whole range of ranks in the Royal Navy, Army and Air Force. This programme is not traditionally delivered but is actually delivered so it suits the personnel and the Ministry of Defence to deliver real solutions and real knowledge and skills to those people.
But is your solution one size fits all?
Absolutely not. We work so closely with businesses now that we are able to offer bespoke and tailored solutions that meet specific needs of businesses and organisations. The important point here is that we will work with the organisation to develop a solution that is practical, can be implemented and absolutely suits their needs and offers good value for money.
Let's move to the future. Where do you see UK SMEs?
Well, small businesses have been and will continue to be the lifeblood of our economy. They account for around 99% of all businesses out there. They employ around 2/3 of the total workforce and are often the source from which new innovations are developed that develop new industries and future sectors. These future sectors are absolutely critical for our economy if we are to continue to be at the forefront of our global economy.
Professor Gary Packham, thank you for your time.
Thank you.